In this video, we're learning how to add smooth transitions between clips, one of the simplest ways to improve the overall look of your edit. Let's start. First, make sure you have two clips placed next to each other on the timeline. Transitions always sit between clips, so there needs to be a clear-cut point. Now, open the effects panel. Inside effects, go to video transitions. Here you'll find different categories like dissolve, slide, wipe, and more. For beginners, the most commonly used transition is cross dissolve. This creates a smooth fade from one clip to the next and works well in most situations. To apply it, simply drag the transition and drop it exactly between two clips on the timeline. Once applied, you'll see the transition appear at the cut point. Now let's adjust the transition settings. Click on the transition in the timeline. When the transition is selected, its settings appear in the Effect Controls panel. From here, you can change the duration of the transition by entering a value or adjusting the controls. A shorter duration creates a quick transition, while a longer duration makes it smoother and slower. You can also adjust the transition directly on the timeline. Just click on the transition and drag its left or right edges to increase or decrease the duration visually. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable. Now let's talk about a common beginner issue. If a transition doesn't apply properly or shows a warning, it usually means there isn't enough extra footage on one or both clips. Transitions need extra frames at the beginning or end of clips to blend smoothly. In that case, simply trim your clips slightly and then apply the transition again, and that's it. You now know how to add smooth transitions, adjust their duration, and control them using the Effect Controls panel or directly from the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.